Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous video, we saw that the price action of Bitcoin was retesting this $31,000 support level. And I told you that so far we are not having any closing below this level on the daily time frame chart. And the price action is now getting bounced by this support. And by the way, before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this chart, and here we can see that the price action is moving very well between the resistance and the support of this descending triangle, and at the same time it is also testing this $39,500 resistance level as well. For example, we had the resistance, this $39,500 resistance level test here, here, and here as well. For a while, we broke out this resistance here, but while retesting the previous resistance as a support, the price action was moving down and failed to retest successfully this previous resistance as a support and moved down and continued its moves in this descending triangle on this daily time frame chart. And we have already seen that we had a very weak interest of the traders. If you're not following my previous videos, then let me show you again. I'm just going to place the volume profile on the complete price action moving in this descending triangle, and we can see that we have a very weak interest of the traders here. You can see close to this support of this descending triangle and the support of $31,000. We have very weak interest of the traders. Therefore, whenever the price action is moving in this level, at this area, you can see that the price action is getting reversed to the upside. And you can also watch the candlesticks. The wicks of the candlesticks are also showing us that the bears are very weak at this level. Whenever the price action is moving at this level, and then the candlesticks are also getting weaker. And here we had this strong bearish candlestick, but again we had the strong bullish buying as well. And if we take a look at the volume, then the volume is decreased. We're not having the powerful sell volume like previously we had here. And let me just show you the volume oscillator again. And this is the volume oscillator indicator. We can see that we had the buying volume here with the value of 17. You can watch the values here. And previously we again had the buying volume with the value of 12 here. And now if we take a look at the MACD, like recently the MACD was turning bullish here. It was turned from weak bearish, strong bearish to weak bearish, and we have seen this bullish rally of 3 candlesticks, and the price action reached the resistance of this descending triangle, and after hitting $35,500, dropped more than 15%, and again moved at this support, and now this MACD has turned bullish again. And overall, there is a bullish divergence in the MACD. You can see that the MACD is in uptrend. That is also a bullish signal. Now we can expect another move to this resistance. First we have this resistance of descending triangle that is this time now approximately at $34,500, and then we will have this next price level resistance at $39,500. I'm expecting that once the price action will be able to break out this resistance, then it can also break out this $39,500 price level resistance as well. This is a very important key level resistance. Once the price action will be able to break out this $39,500 key level resistance, then we can expect another powerful bullish rally, and that can also lead the price action to start the mega bull run. In fact, to continue that bull run that is still in play. Now, we also have this point of control of this volume profile that is indicating that the price action can move up to this level because the price action follows the point of control of the volume profile, and that is approximately at $37,150. Now, in case we will have the breakout from this triangle, then it depends from what will be our breakout point. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then our next target can be $45,900, approximately $46,000. And if we will have the breakout from here at the tip of this triangle, then it can reach at least up to $42,800. In both situations, the price action can cross up or break out the EMA 21 weekly as well. Like, let me show you the EMA 21 weekly at this time is at $41,600. So for example, if we will have the breakout from this tip of the triangle, you can see our next target is $42,800. That is above the EMA 21 weekly. And I've been telling you in my so many previous videos that there are 2 points. Whenever you will watch the price action is moving to those points, you will observe a lot of buying. For example, one is close to $30,000, and we have already witnessed that whenever the price action is reaching close to $30,000, we are observing the buying from that point. And the next point will be that can trigger a very powerful buying. That will be when the price action will be moved above the 21 EMA weekly. Then we will observe another powerful buying, and the price action can continue the bull run that is still in play. And previously it has happened back in 2013 when the price action was close below the EMA 21 weekly. Let me just show you. We had here closing below EMA 21 weekly, and the price action again closed above the EMA 21 weekly, and we had a very powerful rally to the upside. In fact, the bull run was started here, and this was the correction. Likewise, we are moving here in the correction phase, and same as like that, we can expect the after this correction a very powerful rally, like it has happened previously in the history of the Bitcoin in the previous bull run. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, and I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here on the daily basis. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.